how to connect your Epic Games account with your Steam. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Epic Games account with your Steam in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is simple. Go to Epic Games. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now click here down on your name and click on manage account. Now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is go down here, click on the connections option down here, and now click on the accounts option, and here you will find Steam. And all what you have to do now is simple. Just click connect and you will be able to connect your Steam account with your Epic Games easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.